In this video, we'll guide you through download, registration, KYC verification, and Google Auth setup.
How to download and install the Echobit app. Enhance your crypto trading with the Echobit app. Trade anytime, anywhere. Download link, https://www.echobit.com/m. Follow the steps below based on your device. For Android, Step 1, open Google Play Store, search for Echobit. Step 2, locate Echobit and tap the download icon. Once downloaded, tap Open to access the app. For iOS, Step 1, visit https://www.echobit.com in your browser. Step 2, click Test Flight to download the Echobit app. How to register an Echobit account, web. Step 1, visit the official Echobit website, https://www.echobit.com and click Register. Step 2, choose your registration method, sign up with a phone number or email, set a password, and enter the verification code. Tips: for account security, passwords must be 8 to 20 characters, including uppercase letters, lowercase letters, and numbers. If you don't receive the verification code, check your spam folder or contact customer support. Step 3, if an invitation code is required, confirm with your referrer and input it. Read and agree to the user agreement, then click Register to complete the process. How to complete KYC verification on Echobit, web. To ensure the safety of your assets and comply with regulations, Echobit requires all users to complete KYC verification. KYC is mandatory for cryptocurrency trading. Once verified, names and ID numbers cannot be modified, so please fill in the details carefully. Step 1, log into your account on https://www.echobit.com and go to User Center from the top right corner. Step 2, in the Identity Authentication section, click Go for authentication. Step 3, enter your full name and region, then click Next Step. Fill in the document type and number, then click Next Step. Step 4, upload the front and back of your ID, along with a photo of you holding the ID and a white paper, then click Confirm. Once approved, the verification process will be completed. Tips: the white paper must include Echobit plus name plus date, for example, Echobit plus John plus January 20th, 2025. Photos must be clear, visible, and under 5 megabytes. Echobit Google Authenticator Setup Guide, web. Follow these steps to set up Google Authenticator and enhance your account security. Step 1, log into https://www.echobit.com and go to the Personal Center via the top right menu. Step 2, in the Personal Center, navigate to Security Center Settings. Step 3, click Google Authenticator Bind to access the setup page. Step 4, in the email verification pop-up, click Send, enter the verification code sent to your email, and proceed to Next. Step 5, download the Google Authenticator app using the provided link. Copy the key or scan the QR code to add your Echobit account to the app. Step 6, enter the 6-digit code generated by Google Authenticator into the designated field to complete the setup. Your account is now protected with an additional layer of security.